Hi, okay, so today I'm showing you how to do the zigzag puff stitch. This is one of my all-time favorite stitches. It's got such a fun texture. It's great for all different kinds of designs. You can make scarves or blankets or beanies or sweaters, like whatever you want to make with it, dishcloths. You can make whatever you want. So I wanted to show you how to do this today. I also have a written pattern for this up on my blog. It'll be out tomorrow, which is July 19th, Saturday, but I have the video one up on Friday because that's the way my schedule works. So you will see the blog post tomorrow. If you prefer the written version, it'll be in the description below. But let's grab our stuff and we will start the tutorial. Okay, so first you're just gonna need whatever yarn you want to use and the corresponding hook. I'm using the Red Heart Super Saver and Retro Stripes. It's a size 4 weight yarn, and then a 5mm hook. And then you'll also want some scissors and a tapestry or a needle so you can weave in your ends at the end if you want to. You don't have to, that's all you. But the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make a slip knot. And then we're gonna chain in multiples of 2 plus 2. So it'll be, for this one, we're gonna do 22. So you can do whatever you want, just make sure it's multiples of 2 plus 2. So 2. All right, so there's our 22. So we're gonna go into the second chain from the hook and we're gonna single crochet in each chain across. So you'll have a total of 21 single crochets when you're done. So we have our 21 single crochets, and then we're just going to chain 1 and then turn our work around. All right, for row 2, we're going to single crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, and then we're going to puff stitch right in that next stitch. So to puff stitch, you're going to yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, back into the stitch and pull up a loop, and then you do it one more time. So a total of 3 times. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on your hook. And then you'll just yarn over, pull through all 7 of those loops, and that is your puff stitch. And then you'll chain 1, you'll skip a stitch, and you'll puff stitch in the next. So it'll be the same thing all the way across. You'll do your puff stitch, your chain 1, skip a stitch, puff stitch, chain 1, skip a stitch. And then when you get to the last stitch, you will put a single crochet in it. So we're almost there. and then you do your single crochet in that last stitch, and then you'll chain 1 and turn, and this is what row 2 looks like. All right, for row 3, you'll single crochet in that first stitch, chain 1, skip this puff stitch, and make a puff stitch in the chain space next to it. Chain, skip the puff stitch, go into that chain space and make another puff stitch. And then single crochet in that last stitch, chain 1, turn, and that is your next row. For row 4, you single crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, and then we're gonna put a puff stitch in this chain space here, chain 1, and then puff stitch in the chain spaces across again. And then single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1, turn your work, and you have finished row 4. So now all you're going to keep doing is repeating rows 3 and 4, and you're just going to go back and forth until you make this your desired length. So keep going, make it as long as you want. Single crochet, chain, skip 1. And then, so you can pause the video here. I'm going to crochet a couple more rows, and then I will show you how I finish it off at the end. Okay, I did 2 more rows, and then now we're going to go and do the final row. So this is super simple, super easy. You're just going to single crochet in each stitch and chain space across. So single crochet in the first one, in the puff stitch, in the chain space, in the puff stitch, in the chain space. And you just go all the way across, and this just puts your little finishing edge on there for you that'll match the bottom row where we single crocheted. And with this pattern, there are a ton of different variations. You can start it with a foundation row. You don't have to start it with a chain and then a single crochet. You would just do a foundation of an odd number of stitches. If you want to do bigger puffs or littler puffs, or make this with like size 1 yarn, and it, like, you can do whatever you want with it. I think that's my favorite part about this stitch, is it's so, there's like 37 different variations for it. So that is what it looks like across the top and the bottom. And yeah, so this is the zigzag puff stitch tutorial. I hope you learned something today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do have any questions, leave those in the comments below. Like I said, the blog post will be up on Saturday, June 19th and at sambartley.com. And yeah, I think that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye, y'all.